back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Augusta. Please, if this is your first time on my channel, click the subscribe button below and join the family, and I promise you're not going to regret it. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be trying out the S-curl health products. Guys, I'm talking about this. This is the curl activator moisturizer and the curl wave gel activator. So I've seen a couple of people use this product on their hair on YouTube, and I decided to try it out on my 4C hair. And guys, this is my hair. I just washed it about 2 hours ago. I don't have any product on it, so this is it. Let me show you guys. Yeah, so we're going to be trying this on my hair, and I'm going to be leaving it on my hair for a couple of days, and I'll probably maybe come back after a couple of days to show you guys how the hair is or how the product is on my hair. Let me tell you how it was so difficult to get this wave gel activator. Like, I went everywhere to ShopRite, Walmart, searching for this, but I couldn't get it. But I was able to see this every single place I went to. I initially decided to use the styling gel and this, but finally I found the curl and wave gel activator at a beauty supply store near me. So you might want to check any beauty supply store near you if you are not able to find this at all the big stores like Walmart or ShopRite. These are the 2 products I'm going to be using in my hair in this video. I'm also going to be using the spray bottle to add water to my hair, and I'm going to be adding this leave-in conditioner to my hair before I start adding this product. Okay, so guys, I went ahead to section out my hair in 4 places just because I like working with my natural hair in sections. Like, that is a very good tip for anyone on natural hair. It's good to work on your hair in sections, that way it's very easy for you. Okay, so yeah, I sectioned out my hair into 4 sections, and I'm going to be starting with this section. So I'm going to be adding the S-curl no drip curl activator moisturizer first to my hair, and behind here it says it should be used daily to eliminate frizz, condition, soften and straighten your natural curly or wavy hairstyle. And it also contains argan oil and olive oil. So I'm going to be showing you guys the consistency. Okay, can you see? It's watery, but it's like it's gel like, but it's not as thick as gel. Can you guys see? So yeah, so that's what I'm going to be adding to my section hair first. So I'm going to go ahead and add the gel. This is a gel activator, not gel itself, and the gel has olive oil and argan oil also, and it's anti-freeze. That's what they wrote here. Can you guys see? I don't know if my camera is picking it. So the gel says is a unique gel that will activate your coils and waves without a trace of grease. S-curl wave gel actually eliminates the shrinkage factor. So they're trying to say my hair is not going to shrink when I use this. So this is the gel activator. So it's not like, the way gel is kind of gummy. It's not really like that, okay? But it's thick, but not like, it's not gummy like gel. So guys, can you see the coils? I don't think this is the best coils I can get on my hair. I feel like other gels do better jobs. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so guys, you know what, I'm going to try it out on another section, but I'm going to add water to that section first before adding the gel to it. Okay, so let's try another section. So I'm going to be spraying water to this section. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the activator to my hair. And now I'm going to be adding the gel. So I don't think there's a difference. I don't know, guys. I'm not feeling the coils. I think I'm going to be adding some other gel to my hair, maybe the Echo Styling gel or the S-curl gel. I bought a gel. It's thicker than the gel activator. It has the gel feel, you know, the sticky gel feel. So I'm going to be adding this to it just to see what difference it's going to make. Guys, I think with the gel it made a whole lot of difference. Can you see it? I like the coils. So I'm going to be spraying more water because I feel like my hair is drying out, or I feel like the gel is drying out my hair, so I'm going to be spraying water. I also like the fact that it's kind of stretched my hair a little bit. So guys, I'm done with the back and I wanted to show you guys. I don't know how I feel about it right now. I think I'm going to leave it to dry a little bit before I can tell, you know, like how I feel about the product. But this is the back. So I'm going to show you guys clearly what I'm doing at the front. So we're going to bring out, you know, like some piece of hair. So we're going to spray in some water into the hair. Then we're going to be spraying the moisturizer. So now I'm going to be adding the gel activator to my hair. I mean, the only thing I feel like it did is it really helped, like it kind of tamed my hair a little bit and stretched it just a little bit. That's all. It didn't really do much. So I'm going to go ahead now and add the gel styling, S-curl styling gel into my hair. So I feel like the gel defines my coils way more than the gel activator did. Okay, so this is my hair with the gel. You can see how stretched, right, it is. So the gel really defined my coils, and it also like stretched my hair. But you have to be a little heavy-handed with it for it to stretch out your hair. So guys, we've gotten to the last part of the hair, and as usual I'm going to spray water. So guys, this is the end result. My hair is not completely dry yet, but I'm just going to carry it to work like this. Okay, so you guys can see it. I'm going to go ahead and use this shine and jam and lay my edges, and I'm going to be spraying this argan oil into my hair just to make it shine. Okay, and if you're still here watching, please make sure you've already clicked the subscribe button down below. Leave your comments in the comment section, you know, tell me what you think about the product. And I really don't think it's kind of defined my coils very well as much as I wanted it to. I feel like there are other hair products out there that are going to define my coils way more than this. Okay, so I just decided to try it out. There is no harm in trying products out, and it's not that expensive. It's just about $3.99, so I decided to try it out. But I don't think it's the best hair product I've used out there. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.